As your library grows, it can become a bit overwhelming to find things, but one of the most useful filters is the ability to filter by date. But it's much more than just a day of the week. To open up your filters, just go into any view and along the bottom edge, click the filter icon to open them. Now you'll see a wide range of options. I've already got the by date open, but if you don't see it, just scroll down and click by date. Now you'll find all sorts of options available: by year, by month, by day, and much more. Let's take a look at some of these. First up, I could take a look at pictures by a specific year. For example, maybe I just want to see all the photos from the year 2021. With just a click, my library instantly updates, and I'm looking at pictures in this case, starting with things from the December holiday period and, of course, going backwards. Or if I open this up, I can start to see a particular month. And with just a click, I'm switching between these. But besides looking at a particular year, there's a lot more. The by month option is really useful when you want to look at something that goes across multiple years. For example, I can come down and take a look at every picture from the 4th of July. And now I'm seeing family picnics, barbecues, fireworks, trips, and much more over the 4th of July holiday. And you can see we've done a wide variety of activities on these dates, but it's a great way to see things. Additionally, if you twirl that down, you'll then see the years within. This is showing you all the years that you had pictures on the 4th of July, so it gives you a quick way to navigate. For example, I could jump to 2022 and see the 4th of July fireworks that year that I watched from a hotel window. Our next section is by day. This lets you take a look at all the pictures from this day, for example, and I can look back through time and see things I did on this day in history. In this case, you're seeing some summer trips that I've taken through the years. Or I could take a look at a particular day of the month, or the last day of the month. By day of week lets you explore things on a particular day. This is most useful if you have a repeating event that occurs maybe on a monthly basis. For example, what do I do on Fridays? And with just a click, I'm revisiting photos that were captured on Fridays. If you twirl that down, you can see the particular Friday in the month. If you're interested in narrowing things down, you can also combine these. For example, I'll go ahead and say, show me just pictures from the early evening, or from evening, and it updates. And now I'm taking a look at pictures from different times of day. Let's clear that out. You'll also find a couple of other options here, such as by season. These can be set under your preferences if you want to adjust for different parts of the world, where, for example, winter and summer might be flipped, or by a particular date range. Here, you'll find useful presets. For example, what have I done for the last month? Or what did I do the past year? And finally, you'll find the ability to set a custom range. If you click on this, it'll open it up, and you can set a particular date range. For example, I can go from the 1st of August to the current date and hit select, and it updates to show me all the pictures within that time period. These controls really let you get to exactly what you want in your library, and by exploring these, you can quickly navigate and find things based on the time, whether that's a day of the week, a particular repeating pattern of a particular holiday that you're looking for, or just a particular time range. And what this does is makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for.